Good morning students. So welcome back. So today we are going to start a new topic on the integration, that is integration by parts. Okay. So as you can see here, I have marked two formulas over here. So in integration by parts you have to follow these two formulas. Okay. So here integration f of x into g of x, that means f of x at a function 1, g of x is another function. So it was we can expand formula that is f of x into integration g of x dx minus eta integration bahir thakibo tar bitor ako eta integration kori asu kuntu function second function to tar pisa jehetu etu integration amar bahir integration to ami function to ki logo loisu f dash x, that is first derivative of your first function, that is f of x into gx. So jehetu yate gom paisa ye duta function ase, so duta functioner ami preference kenege kori, and that is preference will be given in form of your Euler rule. Okay, tamne tumalage functions bu paba আর functions bu কেনেকুৱা টাইপৰ থাকে এতিয়া Euler rule বুলি কলে meaning to কি তোমালage preference wise প্ৰথমতে I মানে কি inverse function ৰ প্ৰথমতে preference দিব লাগিব, second তোমালage log functions bu prefer কৰিব লাগিব, third is your algebraic functions, T stands for your and E stands for your exponential function. Okay, so based on this preference you have to follow this formula. So I will do and explain it within an example. Okay, so formula number 2 is integration E of x, that is exponential E of x or logot jodi tumalokor f of x, that is the function with its derivative of this function, first function jodi ekalogote thake the direct formula to tumalage apply koribo para E of x output to ki hobo hetu answer hobo E of x into f of x plus c. Okay, so based on these two formulas we are going to solve some sums. So let us take this example, integration x into cos x dx. So according to the Euler rule, x will be following under algebraic rule and cos x will be your trigonometric rule. So first preference f of x to আমি x ধৰিম আৰু g of x to আমি কি ধৰিম cos x. So our formula মতে f of x integration of g of x minus one integration, then integration of again g of x into f dash x. F dash x means first derivative of your x, right? The first derivative of x, that is d dx of ki hobo x. F dash x means d dx of x integration dx. Okay, so this will be x integration, simply we can write like this, integration of cos x dx, and dx of x is 1 into dx. So it will be direct formula we can apply, integration of cos x will be sin x minus integration of here integration of cos x will be, so this will be, so integration of again this will be sin x into dx, and as we all know integration of sin x is minus cos x, so minus minus will be cos x plus c. So this is the output of your first example sum. Okay, that is integration x into cos x dx. Okay. Okay. Next, one more example I am taking. Suppose if you are having only function that is log x. Okay, suppose your question is integration log x dx. So according to the Euler rule, log will be your second preference. So I can write it in this way, log x into 1. So 1 will be under your algebraic function. That means log x will be considered as your f of x and 1 will be considered as your g of x. Okay, so f of x integration g of x minus the whole integration again g of x, then d dx of f of x log x into dx. Okay, so log x, that means log x integration dx minus outside integration then dx, then dx of log x is 1 by x into dx. So it is what I mean solve koru. So integration of dx will be x minus this integration, this part is x, this is 1 by x and again dx. So that means we will get log x into log x minus integration again dx. So the output will be x log x minus x plus c. So this is the output of your integration log x dx. So let us take, suppose if your question is find the integration of x into e to the power x. So as you can see, exponential will be your last preference and x is your algebraic. Okay, so x into integration this minus outside integration the integration ex dx into d dx of your first function dx, isn't it? Okay, so integration e to the power x will be e to the power x itself. Okay, so here integration, this will be simply again ex. Okay, so dx of x will be 1 this. So what is the output here? X e to the power x minus e to the power x dx. So as we all know, so integration of e to the power x will be e to the power x plus c. Okay, so this is the output of your third question, that is integration x into ex dx. Okay. Okay. Suppose this time your question x sin inverse x upon root over 1 minus x square dx. Okay, if your question is find the integration of this, so what we can do is you take the inverse to be your first function. This will be our first function, that is f of x will be our first function and g of x will be our second function, isn't it? Because it's an algebraic part. So here the formula will be sin inverse x integration x 1 minus x square dx minus outside integration again x upon root over 1 minus x square dx into d dx of sin inverse x dx. Okay, so here this part, if you see this part, it will be the substitution method. According to substitution method, we have to solve this part, and d dx of sin inverse x we all know, correct? So here if you apply, now see here, if I write let 1 minus x square equal to t, so if I use d dx here, so this will be minus 2x dx into integration dt, so this will be x dx will be minus 1 by 2 dt. So in place of this now we have to substitute what? Over here will be minus 1 by 2 dt, isn't it? So here if I want to apply the substitution part, that will be sin inverse x, okay, this will be minus 1 by 2 dt upon, since this part, so this will be root t, okay, minus outside integration, this will be inside will be minus half dt, same part we have to write, okay, and d dx of sin inverse x. So d dx of sin inverse x is minus 1 by 1 minus x square dx. Okay. So it will be solved those. So sin inverse x into coefficient minus half. So this will be t to the power minus 1 by 2 dt minus half again integration t to the power minus half dt into 1 by root over 1 minus x square dx. Okay. So this will be simply sin inverse x into minus 1 by 2 into this will be half, this will be half. So it will be x to the power n integration x to the power n formula. If you apply, all of you will know. So this will be again here into t to the power half into 1 by 2 into root over 1 minus x square dx. Okay. So this part and this part will be cancelled. So minus t to the power half means t was 1 minus x square. So we can write it in this way, sin inverse x. Okay. So this part will be this. Again this half and this half will be cancelled. Okay. Plus integration t to the power half t was 1 minus x, half means this. So this will be this, isn't it? So this part and this part will be cancelled. So it will be simply the last part will be integration dx. So what is the final answer? That is 1 minus sin inverse x into 1 minus x square plus x plus c. So this is the output of your integration x sin inverse x upon root over 1 minus x square. Okay, so these are the sums based on your first formula, that is integration of fx gx dx.